the people's governor. Let's clap for His Excellency Governor Seyi Makinde, a dogged, rugged, and His Excellency. Thank God you are here with another people's man. That's our own man. Shinopela, if I'm shocked that it took time before this alignment was official. Hello? We know SP now. SP, these are the men you should be rolling with. Hello? They are the Rolling Stones. Hello? Formidable force. His Excellency, you're welcome. This is Quilox, and this is a home for every Lagosian that likes to relax. And for 10 years, Honorable Shinopela has been holding it down. Even when he had gone to Abuja, this place stood formidable. No matter any new club that comes into Lagos, Quilox stands the test of time. And that's why we're seeing the movement. His Excellency, you welcomed our family, Sir Shinopela, and we are going to welcome you also. Tonight, 2 lap dance for you, sir. Why not they laugh? When I know they see the way governor come out, this will not be stressful, governor. Hello? His Excellency, you hear lap dance, you move, go back. Hello? All the problem you have has expired, though. You won your second term. We'll clap for His Excellency. Hello? Our governor go to fear lap dance. Are you not a rugged man? His Excellency, you have done well. Tonight, we are going to take care of you. Yes, these are governors that we're talking about, governors that will stand to fight for the people the same way Quilox is our own governor. For you to even leave London this night is really our governor. Governor, you made this man leave London tonight to come and be here. We are excited to have you here. The new order today is a show of exemplary leadership when it comes to nightlife. That's what Quilox has been doing for the longest time. And every year, they do a very strong renovation of this particular spot every year. I don't see how many businesses do the same thing every year. And Sir Shinopela, Honorable, because now Senator for the call if they're not shooting for leg. Hello? But don't worry, you are going back to the Senate. Somebody say amen. No, you are a strong man. There's no way you will not collect that. But for now, let's see you stay well. You are standing well already. You are standing with Governor Seyi Makinde. You don't have now that this one I come and fight 35, not here. Hello? You are seeing them. So let's put our hands together for His Excellency. Let's put our hands together for His Excellency. And quickly, His Excellency, we just want to treat you for 3 minutes. 3 minutes before Honorable Shinopela comes up to, give us the welcome speech, and you open up the club and we go have fun before 2:30 fellow. Hello?
This is the beginning of the 10th season of Quilox, and it's also the 10th year anniversary of the folks running this place. And the rule of thumb is if any business survives the 5th year, that business has the chance to go the whole hog. So I hope that Quilox will be here, another 10 years, another 20 years, another 30 years, and God sparing our lives. I'll be too old then, but I think I have a private corner here that old age will not prevent me from coming here to listen to good music and mingle.
Thank you.